Hi guys, Nikki here and welcome back to my home kitchen. So for today's recipe we're going to be doing a chicken salsa pasta. So let's get started with the ingredients. So for the ingredients I've got 250 grams of chicken breast which I have cut into thin strips. I've got 250 grams of pasta here which I have cooked as per the packet instructions. And I also have here 300 ml of salsa. So also we have here 1 cup of mini sweet peppers which I have cut into thin slices. I have half an onion sliced, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 big handfuls of baby spinach. I've got 1 large cup of mozzarella and cheddar cheese which have been shredded. And for the spices I've got 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika powder. So I've taken a medium-sized pan with a little bit of oil and we're going to start out by frying the onions and the garlic. We're just going to fry till it's translucent in color. Now that our onions and garlic are nice and translucent in color, I'm going to add in the chicken. And we're just going to cook this, fry this here for about 15 minutes. Our chicken has been cooking now for about 7 or 8 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the spices. Give that a good mix. And now we're going to add in the peppers. And we're going to give that a good mix again. Next we're going to add in the salsa. I'm going to give this a good mix. And I'm going to put in, just rinse out the bottle with a little bit of water, and we're about 3/4 of a cup, and just add it to this and cook for about 10 more minutes. So our chicken has been cooking now for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the spinach. And it doesn't take very long, just a couple of minutes. Just going to give that a good mix, and then we're going to add in the pasta. Now I have actually used just the mild version of the salsa here, so it's really good for kids and even adults. They're going to really enjoy this one here. Spinach has been cooking for a couple of minutes. Now I'm just going to add in the cooked pasta. We're going to give that a quick stir here, and we're going to finish it off with the cheese. Now finally we're going to add in the shredded cheese. Just going to turn off the stove, give this a quick stir, and we are ready to serve. Do give this one a try and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments section of the video. And let's get plating now. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next week with the next recipe. Bye guys!